God damn, I about died right then, y'all. I ain't lying, that scared me to death. Woo, thank you, dude. Yeah, I was just trolling. Trolling works better for catching trout than I think anything else. I swear, I catch more trolling than I have ever caught casting. That's a nice one too, Jesus. Beautiful fish. Well folks, what I'm doing here is the classic trolling for trout. Basically just working these ledges. This is definitely a lot easier to do in a kayak because it's so easy to get close to structure, control speed. I'm on top of a big oyster bed here. I mean, there's just something about the trolling presentation that's hard to beat when it comes to fishing for trout. Something about that steady depth, steady speed, swim that it provides. I don't know if it's the constant depth and speed that does it or if it's just the fact that you're covering more water. I mean, I've talked about this before. I've been in situations where you could cast until your arm is about to fall off and not get a bite, and then troll right through the same body of water and immediately hook up. Pass after pass. It's always made me wonder why that's like that. It's just one of the oddities of fishing, I guess. Some people say it's not true. You just can't argue with results. What a nice specky. Yeah, there you go. Trolly trout. Yeah, it's just a big old trout. Dang it.
Just a big old trout, that's all.
Not really what I want today, but still nice fish. He inhaled that swim bait. I have it back, man. Open up. Damn, he swallowed it. Yeah, it's completely gone. He swallowed it while I was trying to get it out. And that was a big swim bait. Holy crap. Yeah, I don't let you keep this dude because he ain't gonna live. Here, I just throw him in my bag. Nice trout. Well, y'all, I just caught a nice trout. Wasn't keeping any trout today, but that dude swallowed this thing whole before I could get it out of him. I mean, straight up, it was like, you ain't getting it back. Oh, there we go. Smacked that one. Oh, that's there. Still there? Yeah, well, he was running at me. Just another big speckled trout. I want striper, dang it. What a nice speck. Not what I want today, though. There we go. What we got here? Yeah. A decent chatty. Shame I ain't trying to keep these today. Catching plenty of them. Here we go. Let's see that time. There we go. Little guy. Yeah, boy, there we go. Y'all, I got me a monster and held my swim bait. Good man. I just did have him hooked too. Look at the mouth on that thing. He is, he's 23. A nice one though. Top beast of a trout though. Yeah, y'all. Thank you, buddy. This to you. Boop. Thank you, Trouty. Go again. Yeah, thank you. Oh, that's quick. Nice little guy, not special. Yes. 17, not bad though. There we go. What up? Pretty good one. Nice trout. Heck yeah. There we go. Nice one. Yep. Act like a fool. Real nice one. There we go. Alright y'all, pretty much just doing one final bit of trolling. I'm almost back to the boat ramp. A heck of a day. Covered a lot of ground, caught a lot of good fish too. Biggest trout today was 23 inches. No striper, unfortunately, and only one drum. Pretty good day though, I'm happy. Tired. I can definitely tell I don't kayak as much as I used to since I've gotten the boat. I think my boys are about ready to go as well. Alright, enough's enough. Time to get to the ramp.